guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. So very good morning to all of you. So today we will discuss about the translation, right? So translation is very a basic topic of class plus 2 and aspirant who are preparing for CSIR UGC net. So basically you have to know about the translation. Translation is the process of formation of protein from the messenger RNA, because we have studied that the DNA is formed from, that's like, this is the DNA, right? DNA form it's a of its own copies, and from DNA the messenger RNA is formed, and from messenger RNA here the ribosome attached with the messenger RNA and protein synthesis take place. So this protein synthesis, this process is known as translation, right? So the main aspect of the translation is transfer RNA. Is transfer RNA. So we will discuss about the transfer RNA structure. So let me draw. This is the stem of transfer RNA. This is the another stem of transfer RNA. This is the loop, right? This is another loop, and here is the loop. This is 3' end, this is 5' end. At the 5' end, guanine is present. At the 3' end, CCA. Here 3' end, adenine is present. So at 3' end, hydroxyl group of adenine is present. So this is the first stem of transfer RNA, and this is the second stem of transfer RNA. Here the hydrogen bonding will form. Here is the low form, because here the hydrogen bonding between the molecules is not formed. So this loop is known as T psi C loop. T is representing thymine, right? Psi is represent the pseudo uracil, and C represent the cytosine, right? So pseudo-uracil, because here the bond is not formed between the molecules, so here the loop is formed, and because the pseudo-uracil base are present here. Here the D loop is present. The function of this D loop is its help in amino acid synthesis, right? So this D loop help in formation of amino acid synthesis. This is an enzyme which help in formation of, which help in activate, right? It's activate the incoming amino acid. The incoming amino acid, right? Here this loop is known as anticodon loop. The function of this anticodon loop is it read, or we can say that it's read the codon, right, which are present on messenger RNA, right? So we know that the messenger RNA have codon region, and this anticodon read the codon. So this is the structure of transfer RNA. This is the 3' end, this is the 5' end, this is the T psi C loop, this is the D loop, this is the anticodon loop. So Now the main question arises that which amino acid attached with the 3' OH, right? So the main amino acid which attack toward the 3' end is formyl methionine, right? So this formyl methionine attack to the 3' 3' OH of this transfer RNA. So the structure of this formyl methionine is this is the structure of formyl methionine. This is the carboxylic acid of formyl methionine. So this carboxylic acid form bond with the 3' OH of adenine, right? So let's see how the initiation, because we know that the translation have three process. Translation have three steps. So first step is initiation, right? Initiation, then elongation, then termination, right? So three steps are involved in the translation reaction. So first is initiation. So let's discuss about how the initiation reaction take place in translation. So first of all, the first step we can say that is activation of amino acid. Activation of amino acid. We have to activate this amino acid because this activated amino acid attached with the 3' OH of transfer RNA. So this how this amino acid will activated. So basically what happen is amino acid, right, plus it's bind with the ATP, and in the presence of enzyme which is known as amino, yeah, this enzyme help in the activation of amino acid, amino acid synthetase, right? So it's from amino acid AMP complex plus pyruvate. It's released, phosphate is released in the form of energy, and this activated amino acid which have AMP, adenosine monophosphate, it bind with the transfer RNA and it activated the transfer RNA in the presence of amino acid synthetics, right? So it activated the amino acid. Now this amino acid form complex with transfer RNA. Now this complex will form. Now this amino acid is activated. This amino acid is formyl methionine, which we have already talked about it, right? The carboxylic group of the formyl methionine attached with the 3' OH of adenine, which are present in the transfer RNA, and is form a complex here. So now start how the initiation reaction take place. During the initiation reaction, three initiation factors are involved in this process. First initiation factor is initiation factor 1, then second one is initiation factor 2,